na Abdul Bangura, aka Shavin. I dey play for Central. Um, this na the interior. Now the second game where we lead 4-0.
Yes, you score 3 goals then there, and today you score 2 goals as well. 5 goals in 2 games. Waiting at the secret with this rapid goal scoring.
I mean effort, the training.
So waiting extraordinary by training.
Um, I can do self training for myself, and I can train 2 times per day, morning and evening.
So now about the goal scoring, how you can manage for scoring goals here?
Um, I mean effort, effort.
Whose kind of effort you dey put?
I'm like a skillful, and I know how for score, how for place the ball.
So I can describe this goal scoring technique as a reigning goal scoring technique. So far, what do you expect? You get any hope say you dey chase the goal in boot?
Yeah. I get the hope and I get the confidence. Say, this interior, I must win the highest goal score.
So now, waiting extraordinary by this entire area from other entire area the way you don't see as a player.
Because this is my first interior where I play for Central. I thank God I play my first game, I get me hat-trick, and second game I score 2 goals.
So what are we expecting from you more?
And the only thing people are expecting me for win the highest goal score just because of me the top, and I hope say and I for put effort for the third match I go able to score more and I for do the training.
So are we talking about the third match? Are only the third match you dey talk about now, or you get hope for continue this particular goal scoring till the league done?
Yes.
So even though it too quick, but you feel say Central get the team for take una through this competition.
Yeah.
Alright. To the fans and to every other person wey dey listen or watch this video now, wetin na the message wey you get for them?
May they send this message to the Central fans and say, with this competition, this interior, we must win them, and we dey on the preparation for win the competition. And as we don't start, and so I hope so we not go lost no match till we go na the final stage.